The 75/50 wheelchair scale offers multiple ways to tare the weight of an object. The tare process removes the weight of that object from the gross weight, leaving you with the desired net weight. For example, this process may be used to tare the weight of an empty wheelchair to acquire the actual weight of a patient while sitting in that wheelchair. There are two ways to use the tare feature of the 75/50's MedView digital indicator. When the tare weight of an object, such as the weight of an empty wheelchair, is known and when it is unknown. When the tare weight of the wheelchair is unknown, begin by placing the empty wheelchair onto the scale. Press the tare key on the indicator. The display will change to Enter Tare Weight. The weight of the object will be shown and the tare annunciator will toggle on. Next, press the Enter key. The display will then change to 0 and the net annunciator will toggle on to show that net weight is now being displayed. The weight of the empty wheelchair has been entered as the tare weight. You may now use that wheelchair to weigh the patient on the scale and then read the patient's weight accordingly. When the tare weight of the wheelchair is known, simply press the tare key without any weight on the scale. The display will change to Enter Tare Weight, and the tare annunciator will toggle on. From here, use the numeric keys to enter the tare weight and then press Enter. The display will then change to a negative weight value and the net annunciator will toggle on. You may now roll a wheelchair patient onto the scale and read their proper weight measurement. The weight of that wheelchair will have been removed from the readout and you will be able to accurately view the patient's weight. Tare weights can also be stored and later recalled. This allows you to enter the weights of several different wheelchairs into your scale's memory and recall them later when using those wheelchairs to weigh patients. After entering or measuring the tare weight of an object, instead of pressing the Enter key, simply press the ID Height key. The display will then change to ID. Use the numeric keys to enter the memory location point where you would like to store the tare weight. Up to 99 tare weights may be stored. Press the Enter key after assigning the ID and then weigh the patient as required. To recall stored tare weights, from the net weight mode, press the ID Height key and enter the desired memory location number and then press the tare key. The display will change to Enter Tare Weight and the stored tare weight will be shown. If the weight is acceptable, press the Enter key again. The scale is now adjusted for the tare weight and you will be able to accurately view the patient's weight.